Your video belongs to you. Let me say this again. You put in the time and effort to make the video on Instagram for your audience to enjoy. Not for somebody to take your video from Instagram and re-upload it to YouTube without your permission and removing the watermark or blurring it out, not giving the credit anywhere, and these videos are being monetized, and all the money they get from showing it to millions of people and getting ad revenue, that money does not go to you. So if this has ever happened to you before, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you what you can do to report these videos for copyright infringement. Hi everyone, I'm Gadis of Made by Mutiara, and I make lettering videos on Instagram. With the oddly satisfying nature of these lettering videos, there are several YouTube channels that make compilations of all these lettering videos, but some of these videos are uploaded without the permission of the original lettering artist. And this is what we call copyright infringement. And even YouTube themselves say, because they take copyright very seriously, that the first rule of copyright is that creators should only upload videos that they have made or that they are authorized to use. That means they should not upload videos they didn't make or use content in their videos that someone else owns the copyright to, such as music tracks, snippets, copyrighted programs, or videos made by other users without necessary authorizations. The keyword is without authorization, without permission. If you saw one of your videos up on the internet and you had no idea how it got there, somebody is doing copyright infringement. So what are the things that you can do? Number one, you can email them, or if they have an Instagram account that they link in the description, you can go to that account and send them a DM to do a couple of things. Number one, if you're okay with it being out there, you can ask them, hey, can you add the credit or add my Instagram handle in the description, or you can politely ask them to take it down. Or the next thing you can do, if you find that none of the methods above work, is to report this video for copyright infringement, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So here I have an unlisted video of mine that I'm viewing through a different email account. So what you want to do, you want to tap the three dots beside the save, and then you want to press report. And from the list available here, you want to choose infringes my rights, and of the options, you want to say that this is a copyright issue. And know that reporting a video is a very serious matter to YouTube, so this is not a feature that should be abused. So just make sure you read through all the fine print before making a report, so that you are aware of what you are doing at every step of the way. So once you're done with that, you press next. If you're not sure whether or not this is being copyright protected, you can click on the links to learn more. And once again, they don't want this feature to be abused, so they say here, do not make false claims. Misuse of this process may result in suspension. So once again, like I said, if you did not give permission to that video, this falls under copyright infringement. So let's continue. Submit a copyright complaint. So what is the issue? You will say that this is copyright infringement and who is affected. So if you are somebody who knows that somebody's content is being infringed upon and you choose another copyright owner, there is no way that you can make the report. So the only person who can do it is if you are their manager somehow, or if you are the owner of the copyright. URL of the alleged infringing video to be removed, you just copy paste the URL, and then please select one. Describe the work allegedly infringed. So in this video, I'm specifically talking about Instagram videos. So you choose my video bracket not from YouTube. This is important. Title of original video. So what you want to do is to go to your Instagram, which I'm going to go do now, and let's say my Hello September video is being copied onto the internet. So what you want to do, you can press the three buttons here, you can press copy link, or you can also copy the address bar right above. The title of the video is up to you. If you are doing lettering, you can just name it whatever you are lettering. So in this case, Hello September, and link to the video. will be the Instagram link. And where does the content appear? So if it is a compilation, likely there is a duration of time which it appears. So I'll put timestamps, and then I'll put, for example, 045 to 103. If you have another video that you want to report under the same channel, you can also add another video, but let's just use one example first. So to submit the complaint, you just put in your names, and then authority to make this complaint, I will put artist because I'm the one who created that video. So don't be afraid to call yourself artist. If you are creating art on the internet, that's what you are. Or something else that you're comfortable with, that's completely up to you. So for the copyright owner name, you can put your YouTube username. So for me, it's made by Mutiara. And the next thing you need to do is just fill in your address and your details just so that YouTube can verify that you are a legitimate person. Please check all of these agreements here. And of course, they want you to take this reporting very seriously, which is why they also put in there, I understand that abuse of this tool will result in termination of my YouTube account. And then typing a full name, so it's the same one that you use your full legal name, you'll type it here, I'm not a robot, and submit the complaint. So once you submit your report, you should immediately get an email giving you a notification of your complaint submission. And after that, YouTube will follow up with an email asking you to give your full legal name so that they may take action on your request. Quite quickly, they will get back to you and let you know that that video has been removed. And in the final message, they also give you the option for you to take back your claim. And that is how easy it is to report a video for copyright infringement. So once again, if you're not sure whether or not you should give a report, ask yourself, did the person ask you for your permission? If the answer is no, then it's quite clear-cut that this is copyright infringement. I'm sorry, this is very distracting, but I cannot help it. So what happens is that that channel has now received a copyright strike, and when a channel receives 3 copyright strikes, that means that their entire channel will be terminated. And hopefully that teaches them the lesson of not uploading other people's content without their permission. But what they might do is to get into contact with you to retract your copyright claim, and it's up to you if you want to get some sort of compensation from them or come to some sort of agreement where you will be giving your permission for them to use your video. It's up to you at the end of the day if you choose to retract your copyright claim. So in what scenario is somebody able to use somebody else's video without their permission? Under the fair use law, works of commentary, criticism, research, teaching, or news reporting might be considered for fair use. Like how Stefan reacted to some lettering videos on his channel, that would fall under the category of commentary. So fine, he doesn't need to let those people know that, hey, I want to use your video, can I have the permission? Because that is going to fall under fair use. So in my personal opinion, if you are one of those people looking to make a compilation channel, I want to know what is the correct way to go about asking people for their video content. Ask for permission. It's not that hard. Ask them in their DMs, email them, leave a comment on one of their posts asking them, you know, hey, I want to use your video. And if they did not reply to that, does not mean they consent. And if they did give you permission, please have the decency to include their Instagram handle in the video as well as in the description so that others have a way of knowing which video belongs to who. And to those of you making lettering videos or any type of Instagram videos, please have your watermark clear as day in somewhere of the video. That's the least we can do to at least say that, you know, hey, this video belongs to me. It is mine, so don't take my video anyhow. And for those of you who are part of the calligraphy or lettering or any sort of community that watches Instagram videos, if you see a video by one of your favorite creators online not having their credit, but you recognize their like signature video style, then please let them know, and also maybe send them this video to let them know what they can do to take that video down for copyright infringement. I really don't want to be in the business of always taking down people's videos, but I think they have been getting away with this for way too long, so it's time for us to take action and do something to hopefully teach them that there is a right way to do things. People are thinking that these channels are making the videos. You see the comments are like, your writing, your calligraphy, but it's not them. But do they bother to correct these people? No. I mean, if they have the decency to credit Epidemic Sound for the music they use in the video, that means that they sort of know how to credit, but they don't know how to credit video. Anyway, you get my point. I'm really very angry. I think it's wrong that people are using other people's content for monetary purposes. At the very least, leave the credit. It's not much. It's just copy paste. Difficult, man. Just remember, your video belongs to you. So if you want to do something about it, I hope this video at least helps you do something about it. So let me know down in the comments below if you found this video useful. If you have any questions about reporting a video for copyright infringement, you can also send me a DM on Instagram at Made by Mutiara. And before I forget, today's shout out goes to So once again, thank you so much for leaving a comment in my last video. If you want a shout out, then please share this video on Insta stories or leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me be recognized by YouTube, and also you can share this video on any of your social medias. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell when I upload a new video. So thank you so much again for all your support. Check out my other videos. You can do so over here. I need to calm down, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! So, oh, I see a Geico plain ad. Sorry, I got distracted. Okay, I need to be serious. Stop. Hold on.